Hey, good morning guys, this is Midram from the Life with Midram. And we are here sa cafe sa labas. Yeah, cafe sa labas. Ano, parang bread cafe place. Sa labas lang ng ano, ng hotel. Ito siya. We have, obviously I can read, but may mini pang chocolate. Merong parang lemon. Yeah.
Ano daw to?
Parang quiche ata to. No.
Hindi mo nababasa.
Hindi na nababasa, mami.
Ang bulok.
Wow.
Nakalagay dyan, no? Lemon pad.
May selection nila. Okay, so bread review. Ito, para siyang flaky bread na may pasty cream na mango flavored. Ito manju, pero parang apricot jam. Ito raisin bread. Okay, so here we are at Tempuran Tensho, Nishiki Ichiban, dito sa shopping arcade. Sabi namin na yung tawag sa mga code na to, shopping arcade. So they serve those. So they serve tempura udons and tempura bowls. So you have a choice of shrimp or special or sea eel or crab meat tempura. Ayan, nakatayo na siya. Very rustic. Ayan.
Items and the plastic shopping bags.
Ito. 110. Pero nga, kung muna kami. Isa.
Isa lang. Like, one more? You get one more. May pang points.
So that's how you pay. You first click the English and then start. Then if you want to pay for a bag, the bag is here. And then you scan it either with the gun.
Hindi yan.
Or sa scanner. Tapos, yeah. You choose your mode of payment if you want card or electronic cash here. Or if you want cash payment, put it here. Diba ang galing? Okay, so we stopped by Wendy's First Kitchen here. Yun, binili namin tong game na to. Ano? Para namin na kaya ng konting tao pero 3 players yung minimum. So, it's an interesting game. So basically, it's like Among Us, pero card game. So here's the food. We have like a normal burger, bacon burger, yung strawberry boba. I think this is strawberry cola. Then fries, and then regular Coke. And then some real mustard. Mustard. What? And ketchup. Okay, time to get some new shoes. But, yeah, kapag dapat kasi pero di ako nasista na maayos sa ibang branch na ABC Mart. But as we were walking, papuntang Atmos kanina, may ABC Mart Grand Stage. Grand Stage yung mga malalaki. I go, okay. Ayun. Papakita ko sa yung shoe ko mamaya. It's a New Balance 550 na white and gray na colorway. So the ABC Mart is just right there. There's a strawberry shop here, but they said, syempre, yung nanay ko ito, panghuli. Look.
Picture mo. Picture tayo dito.
Yung magaman, yung magpapagman. Okay, so from what I understand, ano to? Hardball stage ata to? Parang may ganito. Pero yeah. Let's give it a try. Ow! Okay, nandito kami ngayon sa patisserie Marion Crepe. Yung always namin na kinakainan dito sa Japan na crepe shop. Yeah. I'll get the 53 nandun. So it's caramel with banana and cheesecake. So papalag ako chocolate sprinkles for the crunch or almonds na siguro.
Strawberry banana na lang kita.
So yan. And they also have yung, ayun no, si Hanabunto. Sinasan yung Gotobun. Oo, yun. Yun. Quintessential quintuplets na collab. Which is cool. Yan. Tapos uuwi mo yan. Tapos baliw ka, ano ka to? Kaya na breakfast lagi nakatambay ang table. Oh! Yun yung kasama sa table? Oh my goodness. Saan kinakain mo palagi? Crepe? Sa pangalan mo? Breakfast crepe, lunch crepe. Oh, yan. Ayan, yun naging itong persona ng kuya ko. Degenerate. Di ba ang lapot, sabi sa'yo? Malapot siya, boy. Ba't nga eh. Tsaka yung pan nila, pre, sobrang ganda. Kita mo yung tubig, tumatalbog lang. Tsaka super non-stick siya. Ay, tsaka batak. Ha? So, tsaka sobrang non-stick ng ano niya, surface.
Pero parang, parang...
Ayun na sa'yo, boy.
Firm ng ano nila, hindi porous.
Mixture. Yeah, malapot nga. Ay, sabi namin hindi. Malapot talaga. Ayun o. Kung yung pagka-non-stick niya, ginamon lang pare.
Chika for the win. Chika for the win.
Yotsu ba pare?
Nino to.
Oh!
Ichika. Hindi.
Itsuki. Kasi tuloy sila ay eh. Pinaka-best yung nanalo. Pinaka-best yung nanalo.
Parang it's sold out doesn't mean...
Oh, sino sold out, boy? Sino sold out dito sa ano? Ano?
Ano mo? Yung babae.
Ayun o. Edible ba? Edible? Ay. Edible siya, pre. Ayun. Yung pala yung pipiliin mo. Pipiliin mo kung yung kakainin.
Ito ata yun, yung balot. Yun yung balot.
Ah, yung balot? Ay, oo nga. Oo.
Paano binigay ng tao?
Yeah, man. Generate down to the bone. So he has it's a summer collection, by the way. It has probably strawberry ice cream, some fruits like kiwi, strawberry, and what's that? Pineapple. Tapos meron siyang yung mga kulay niyan na ano siya, para sweet. Tapos ako ayun. Okay, so next agenda for today is we're going to Kichi Kichi Omurice, the famous omurice place. Yeah, after we went to the shopping arcade. Now we just went back to the hotel to drop off some of our stuff. Okay, so here is the area. There's actually a cute little river sa gitna, separating two sides. Pero kain lang naman din. Kasi sa likod namin meron tong maid cafe. Yan o. The usual na ano, yung mga malayo sa main road. Ito yun. Ito puro kainan. Ito yun. Four. Yes.
Well guys, natin foods. Pork belly and beef. Ito yung complimentary.
Review your order.
Tapos saan pa plum wine sa'yo? Ano sa'yo? Ano rin yung drink mo ulit? Orange na parang cocktail. Orange cocktail.
Where can you express your order?
So sama desta. Okay guys, so that's the end of our vlog. It's currently what time is it? 10:19 and hindi kami maaga ngayon kasi tomorrow plano namin. Plano namin na maaga bukas, so we need to sleep early tonight. So yeah, that's it for our vlog, guys. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow. God bless, stay safe. See you in the next one. Bye.